Today we are at a local theater and we're going to show some movie lovers how mind-blowing it is to watch movies in virtual reality.
Oh, come on.
The movie is playing then. There's literally a fire to my left.
Oh, that's neat.
Wow.
Meet Nick, Peter, and Gabe. Today we're going to show them virtual cinema on the Quest 3 for the very first time.
Oh, good Lord. Oh, my word.
Now you're in a sci-fi cinema. Use your thumb and there's a stick right here.
Oh,
if you use that and push forward, then you can point at a seat and let go, it'll put you there.
Oh, I see the green lines. Follow the green lines.
Yes, green lines.
I see the screen over here,
Yep.
and then the movie-looking screen.
What'd you find?
Oh, just to jump into the seats.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Yeah, it's pretty fun.
So I put on Sonic the Hedgehog. I see the whole screen with the playing now.
Let me just take your headset off for just a second.
Yes.
All right.
Wow. Yeah, that's wild. Wow. I think I'll try with my glasses.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Is that better?
You did it. Oh, no.
Okay. All right, now I'm going to sit next to you for a second because I want to talk you through something really quick.
I see you.
Yeah.
You're on the right side of me, though. You're on the right side.
Yeah, I'm going to switch sides so it's a little bit more comfortable.
Come on. He's next to me. All right.
Yeah, I can wave right at you. There we go.
know,
Now
that's-
I've got it fixed.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious.
Yeah, you do. Oh, we switched sides.
Yeah, I see you on the right now.
All right.
Okay, what am I doing?
Now I'm going to show you a couple of things. 'cause
Okay.
I can
Oh,
control
you
it.
can do this with me.
Yep, I'm
Excellent.
actually in control. This is my server. I just created
you
a
do
server. All right, so this is a modern cinema. You can go to you.
Oh, wow. The modern cinema looks completely realistic.
Oh, it's amazing. This one is a little less realistic, but it's a lot of fun to watch stuff in.
Oh, come on. It's a drive-in theater. That's fun.
This is one of my favorite ones to watch movies in. Drive-in cinema.
Yep.
This stick here, if you push it forward with your finger like you're moving forward,
Oh, yep.
and then you can see a little arch.
Oh, I see that.
You can point. There you go.
Crazy.
Now, one thing, let's go back to one of the other cinemas. I'm going to show you. You can actually watch local video files if you have them loaded onto your
Oh, nice.
device. All right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to start playing a movie. It's going to
'Kay.
start file. It should say File Explorer.
Part 2.
Oh yeah,
two's in
yeah.
here?
Click that one. That's the one we're
I
watching.
haven't seen it yet.
I won't give any spoilers away, but you'll see
It's
it.
okay. I read the book.
Oh yeah, that's true. What's your favorite movie? Just out of curiosity.
I like Star Wars and Marvel, that kind of stuff.
So this is actually a 4K
Yeah.
movie, and it looks really good in
And
here.
again, I'm not wearing my glasses and
Yeah.
I can clearly see it.
There.
Ah!
All right, let me move over next to you. There we go. So we're right next to each other. So now you're going to be surprised at the quality of this, because this. I'm going to just skip ahead just a little bit, not too much to.
Oh, no. It's incredible.
Yeah, it's
It's-
4K actually,
Absolutely incredible.
and the light cast on the ground is amazing.
The light cast and the warmth of it, and then so I'm a really huge fan of Dune, and I can watch it with my brother next to me in Tennessee.
Yep, that's right. That's the magic of this. It's incredible.
Wow.
My favorite part about doing this. Where are you? Oh, you're way down there. Whoa, how'd you get down there?
I got no idea where you
You're
are.
really close. Feels weird being on the wrong side if I'm on the right side.
Yep.
There we go. Now you got a balcony. You got a huge screen over there in the middle of the city.
Oh, yeah.
So you can actually go to places and just hang out. If you want to.
So where's the pub?
You have to. This one you can watch it in the woods if you want to.
And this is part of the program.
Yeah, this is it's a.
Oh yeah, you're over at a
Yep,
log.
yeah.
You're on... Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah. Yeah, you're all the way over there now.
Yeah,
You just
now
zoomed
we're-
that way.
There we go.
Yeah, that's weird. The light shows on all the
Oh yeah.
polygon trees
Yes, I
over there. We see the red blasters going over
Oh,
there.
right all the way across the screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah. More polygon art, but
Yep.
it's still fun to watch stuff in here. You know, you could turn YouTube on, put a little music on, you know, a YouTube music channel, and just sit by the fire and listen to
Yep.
music and chat with somebody. Where are you? Oh, you're on the other side of me now.
Beautiful. Hello, buddy. That's beautiful. Oh, that's amazing.
You can even go to, like if you want to relax in like a living room setting, they even have that kind of thing you can go to.
Oh, wow.
So you
oh,
can
that's
kinda go
super
home.
cool.
Kinda-
That's super cool. Boy, that just changes your, that also changes your whole demeanor. This ostensibly replaces even having to have a TV.
Yes, that's the whole point. But the magic of this is unlike with a regular television, you can watch with a friend or family member thousands of miles away at the same time, sitting on the
Yes.
same couch or in a movie theater.
Oh my God.
You can even give high five if you hold your hand out.
Where are
on
you?
the left side.
Oh, there you are.
There. Kind of not exactly
Sorry,
in the
you're,
right position.
You're about 2 feet away
Yeah.
from me in the game.
I'm sorry.
In the environment. You're a little ways away
Just
from
a little
me.
bit, yeah.
Yeah.
There, now we're in a living room.
This still feels Star Wars like with
Yes,
the
it
scene
does.
over there. And then you see all the stars through that sun.
Yes, that's right.
But yeah, the movie is still played
Yep.
throughout all the
Yeah.
loading too. Like
Yes.
you
yeah.
load in a different room,
Yep.
doesn't affect the quality of the movie.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's streaming locally. So if you have the same local file on your device, on both devices, you can stream the same one.
Like
But-
the movie is playing then. There's literally a fire to my left.
yeah,
That's impressive.
yeah.
And here's that seat thing again, right? I
Yes.
just jumped
Yep.
over.
Oh yeah, anywhere you want to go. Yep. And on top of that,
What?
there's even more because instead of just watching TV, let me switch this over to Pluto TV.
Oh my
There's a
goodness.
on-demand movies, live
gracious.
TV.
Wow. So as long as you can engage your Wi-Fi in your server,
Yep.
your Wi-Fi service, you can watch anything.
Here, you want some popcorn?
What?
You can even have a soda if you want.
What the heck? What?
And if you happen to be watching a movie that you don't like, you can get a tomato.
Brilliant. That's good stuff. That's really good stuff.
So, what was your overall impression?
I can't say how there's no words. Okay, so let me start over.
It's very cool.
You hear about the virtual reality stuff, and I think the sensibility within it is you're not trying to recreate reality. You're immersing yourself into a virtual thing that you don't have access to.
As someone who likes staying out in Discord calls and all that with online friends, nothing's quite immersive as that, even though we can watch so much stuff over Discord and at the same time. But like being there and being able to see the same view as everyone.
I can really see the sharing potential of it. So I think the real win on it is, something super special. Like someone who loves Star Wars just as much as you do, but they live across the country. You can share the experience with each other in real time. I don't think there's any question to the fact that eventually it's going to be used mainstream.
You think that someday in the future that might be the common way of watching movies with friends from home?
I would love that. So I sure hope so.
Yeah, oh gosh, I think the potential is limitless.
The future of watching movies very well could be in virtual reality. And if today's experiment is any indication, other people think the same thing. It's amazing to be able to watch a movie in a huge theater on a massive screen, essentially in your backpack. And who knows, maybe someday it'll be in glasses form. But for now, we have something like the Quest 3, allowing us to enjoy movies with friends and family from all over the world. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video, and happy questing.